because the woman is there advantage.
Awesome. Ubaha ready season crash at Fifi ho.
This is a new discovery of a waterfall that is happening here at Ankama. Kofi Pare, and today we have our tour guide here who will be telling us much about this waterfall. You are welcome to iCare TV. This is a new waterfall that we are finding in Kwahu, and it is very beautiful. What are you going to tell audiences about this waterfall?
Yeah, sure. This is a new discovered waterfall. I call it Freedom Waterfall.
Freedom Waterfall?
Yes. It has about, when in the rainy season, you can see it has about 4 types.
Okay.
That you can see it.
So now we are experiencing two. The third, okay.